In this tutorial, we want to develop this or design this logo here for a print shop in Inkscape 1.0 or in Inkscape in general. So I would prefer to use a grid for this exercise. Partly, let's go for file and then document properties, and then this dialog box pops up. We go to grid, and then we go to new, so we get a grid like this, but I would want to modify it a bit, so maybe we'll put 10 here, and then we'll put 10 also here, the space in X 10, the space in Y 10, the minor grid line color we leave it as it is, the major grid line color we just increase the opacity so we can see the least lines, and that's all we need. With the major grid line every 5, so we need it as 5. Now we close this, and then we go for our Bezier tool, and then choose the mode that we need is this one, sequence of straight line segments. So we were going to go from here to here, you click, and then use 3 boxes, you click, and then we go to the left, we click here, and then we come here to where we started. You see a red, and then you double click. So now we are done with this. It's a closed circuit, so we select it and give it this color here. Now we make a copy of this and put it here because we'll be needing it. Just go to duplicate, you right click, and then do duplicate. Let's put our duplicate here for the time being. Now we make another duplicate, and then we rotate it, we flip it horizontally. So if you see, we'll be having something like this. We are looking for something like this so that we get this piece here. Now I would say that just put this on top of this so we do difference. So select this first one here, and then just go to raise selection on top, and then now go to shift and select this, and then we do, I should have done it anyway, doesn't matter, and then we do difference. So we go to path difference. Now we have this piece, not completely. I wanted to do a duplicate of this part, but it doesn't matter. Since we have this, we are always good. We pick this again, and then we do a duplicate. So right click, duplicate, we flip it horizontally. Again, we'll be needing it for this side, but we need a duplicate of this as well. Just go to right click, and then we do a duplicate. Now just for us, we already have this. Now we need another one here, so we get this part here. I want to cut it, but we could have just tagged it on, and we could have our M, but I prefer to cut it. So let's go on. Let's do a duplicate of this again. Right click, duplicate, and then we put here. Try to get it there because we need to actually we don't need now our, if it's bothering you the grid, you can now get rid of it. Go to, I used it only to draw using the Bezier tool, so you can go to view and then do page grid. When you untick it, it will just go away. Then you can place this here more or less here, because we want to cut it as well. Yes, something like this is okay. We select this and then we go to shift and select this, and then we do again path difference. Now we have this correctly. We bring this here, and then we need to just this is already flipped, but maybe we should cut the top there. So what we could put it on and it looks okay, but I would want to cut it. So what we can do is let's do a duplicate of this again. We go to right click and duplicate. We can do that. We did not actually need to do a duplicate because this we needed it. Let's do this and put this on again to cut it to have this dark side. So we put this on and then we repeat the same thing. We do a difference, let's put it on nicely so it fits nicely. I hope it fits. Okay, now we select this as well, and then we go to path, and then we do our difference again to get the other side. So now we have everything nicely cut. So okay, now we have placed everything. The next thing I would want to do, I feel like I did not place it so well. Yes, okay, now we want to remove all the stroke because they are more or less disturbing the figure. So just select everything and then we go to stroke paint, and then just put your stroke. If you don't have stroke, if you have stroke, if you don't have stroke, then it's okay. And then we start coloring. This was red. This part I used I think I used this color, yes. And then this part I used the yellow here, and then this part I used this one here. So now we can group everything. So that's we go to object and group, and then now let's move it a bit down so we can put our background nicely. We go for a rectangle tool, and then we draw just this on. We want it to be down, we want it below, so go to select it first, and then go to we go to this lower selection to bottom so that we can see it. And then I chose a blue color. I think I chose this color here. We give it a try. No, I think it was this. Now this looks a bit light, maybe because I don't know whether I have the opacity. Let's look at the fill. Yes, so if you don't have the opacity, but if you have the opacity, then you have to increase it. And then the next thing I did was, let's see here, the next thing I did, maybe we increase this a bit. We go to Control and Shift because we need space to write. Let's select this and go to Align and Distribute, so we have it exactly in the middle. So we have this selected, and then we go to Object, Align, Distribution. We select this, and then we also shift and select this, and then we align it a bit with respect to our distance. So I chose this, and the first selection align with respect to first selection, and I chose this, center on vertical, center on horizontal. And now we would write this word here, print shop, and that's it. I would rather want to move this. I'm beginning to think I should give more space here, so let's give it a bit more space. I go back again and I move this rather up, because this, it seems that both are selected, which is not what I want. So just select only the this one, so you move it a bit down, only the background. This is the background, only the background, don't include this, so that you can just move only the background a bit down, so we have a bit of space here to write our print shop. So we go to our text tool and then we write print shop here. I'm using the font I'm going to use is Century Gothic. If you go to text font, this pops up and then you choose this. You can scroll through this and you choose Century Gothic. You write print and then shop. Now maybe we make it a bit bold and go to apply, and then I chose this color here, so choose that color here. We use our selection tool and move it somewhere here. I think we are good with this. We can also, if we want, we can move it a bit here. Let's see how this I actually use. I did not use bold. What do you think? Do you prefer the print shop without the bold, or the print shop with the bold? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please help me by subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Bye.